Pwede maging milyonaryo ang kahit na sino basta consistent sa pag-invest. Yes, and even you. And this is what can happen when you invest consistently. Una sa lahat, nagkakaroon ng power ang pera mo dahil sa tinatawag nating compound interest. Ibig sabihin, kumikita ang investment mo tapos yung kinikita mo, kikita ulit over time. Parang snowball effect. Maliit sa umpisa, pero habang tumatagal, lumalaki siya ng lumalaki. Hindi mo agad mararamdaman sa umpisa, pero give it a time and that's where the magic happens. Sabi nga ni Albert Einstein, compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. He who understands it, earns it. He who doesn't, pays it. Kaya kung consistent ka nag-i-invest, you're setting yourself for a long-term growth. Pangalawa, nabubuo ang habit ng financial discipline. Kapag nagsaset aside ka ng kahit maliit na halaga buwan-buwan, natututo kang unahin ang future goals mo kesa sa wants. Hindi mo na kailangan ng willpower every time dahil automatic na siyang habit. Pangatlo, namamanage mo ang pagtaas at pagbaba ng stock market. Bakit? Dahil consistent ka. At ito yung tinatawag na peso cost averaging. Minsan mataas ang presyo, minsan mababa. Pero dahil regular kang nag-invest, nababalanse mo ang average cost mo. At syempre, mas lumalapit ka na sa pag-achieve ng financial goals mo. Gusto mo mag-retire ng maaga, magkabahay, magpaaral ng anak, lahat yun posible basta consistent ka sa pag-invest mo kahit maliit. Basta tuloy-tuloy. The secret to building wealth isn't always about how much you earn. It's about how much you keep and how consistent you are with investing. And if you need help, Ramver is here to guide you with legit and understandable investment options. So mga ka-RFF, follow us if you want to learn more. And see you in our next video.